To the fellow CADRE program participants, I can't wait to see you all. You should all know that you have access to the Dr. Katz app. Please follow the link to create your accounts and enroll in the course. There are some short video lessons available along with a few questionnaires that we would like you to look at. Thank you in advance for completing this pre-work. We can't wait to see you in Washington, D.C. for our inaugural CADRE Summit. So go ahead, create your account to enroll in the course and let us know what you think. You can learn from leaders and experts in the field like Sherelle Bellamy, Kelly Davis, Chaku Matai, and people like Zofia, lawyer advocates such as Lydia Brown. We take you on a trip to Georgia and help you learn about peer support from the state government expert. Also travel with us to Oakland, to California to meet Kelechi Uboza, an advocate who is on the front lines. You'll also learn from my friend Craig, a man who knows a thing or two about effective national policy campaigns, from the ACA to the battle to increase telehealth. He will teach you about SMART goals and how to be specific about your impact. You'll learn how to tell your story, the value of building coalitions, big tents, and hear from people like Dr. Khadijah Booth Watkins, a child and adolescent psychiatrist at Mass General. We're going to hear from you. It's not just a program for us. We want you to have your input. We want you to make an impact. So you're the cohort that is really involved in creating this for sustainability and longevity for all. We want your feedback on how to make our curriculum even better for the future cohorts, and your feedback is so valuable. Remember to democratize the movement for mental health policy advocacy that starts with relevant lived experience.